YouTube? This is JB. This is my first vlog for this new channel. So today we're gonna check out the Atlanta Auto Show. If it wasn't raining, the first video, of course, would have been in my new JL Wrangler. But since it's raining, I need a chance to wash it and everything, and then I could do a video for that. But that'll give you guys a chance to comment below and tell me what you guys want to know about the new JL, what you want to see, and so on. But for now, let's go ahead to the auto show. Alright, so I'm leaving the auto show now, so make sure to tell me what you thought. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment below. Tell me what cars you like, what cars you didn't like, and then also let me know what you want to see on my JL, what you want me to go over, because it is a lot different than the JK model. I had a 2015 JK, and now I got this 2018 JL, so just let me know, hit the comments below.